Lelevu, sena people non do lubu rawa.
Right.
Do suno non do lubu lolombu.
No, only the bridge. To
Lolombu
Yes.
rebu dangi.
Before Lolombu
Iyo.
to the bridge. On your face right up to Rokara, in between there is Rebu Nidangi.
Oi.
From the bridge on top on the right there is Wakimboto. So we come back going
Right.
right to
Karena-
go Suba
Iyo.
and going to Tobatama.
Arbi to
Very
our
popular
friends
names.
tuning in from Tobata, the rebu dangi, we komba weni, you know, Wimboto.
Wakimboto.
Wakimboto. Ano matang di bingarap di korbi, ano so non do ni anri mata binaka. Bisa macam mana nonton kono tak kira buni binin terbaki. And ouch palangi show. Napa bay tombalik kilo gingerbread boy.
Because he was a ginger.
Because he was carved like a human, like
Human
a boy,
form.
like a boy.
Right.
Right. That's why he is able to jump and run.
Stay on the ginger.
Right.
Demesi, how long does it take for the ginger to mature?
You have a street thriller. Tamusuke tolne wase. One is baby,
Iyo.
Right.
one is green, and one is mature.
So different price.
Different price. So 5 months you can
Harvest.
pull the ginger.
The baby one.
Yeah, the baby one.
Okay.
You plant it from October like that. December you can pull.
Right.
Bentari bulabenak. Yeah,
And
it's
then
like
then after the baby?
that. After the baby, then green,
Okay.
green ginger.
So
That's, the
baby one is
the baby one is for the loli.
so the baby one is not green.
Yes, ang kay kalalay,
Yeah,
say
yeah.
malumusar nga. So there's most of us we use it for the loli.
Oh,
Yes.
From the company.
Okay.
Right.
Hey, good one to Satis and the family from Malami. They are joining this morning. Now they're doing the nabuli ginger sa on sa tungango.
Kemala lili ginger na baby ginger
The
Right.
baby
is
one.
on now.
Iyo.
So the matured one will be what? What month?
Nangon sa lalim matuot kin may sama tibakan doon romon doon ang rauna.
8 months or 9 months?
It's up to you.
Okay, but some farmers do put the leftover in the field. Why?
The leftover for their planting next season.
Oh, nakinite, yeah?
Iya, mekanite.
Right.
Some they leave it for mature.
Yeah.
Depend on the price. Some of them $100, $150.
Soon.
Doon tanga,
Iyo.
sa matua binak. And the thing peck too.
Right. Ayaw sir nga. Okay, out of all the...
Now, like February and this month, March,
Yeah.
the harvesting is going
The
on
baby
now.
ginger.
Yeah, the ginger.
Right.
Ginger ngon and roka on. Wakan dua.
Bakit what we came to all the ginger farmers tuning this morning. All the best kita baru ni nakatiko din na tabi nakatiko ng noke.
Yeah.
Tabi nakatiko ng bawo siya na bukod ni levu feti.
Woo,
Yun ang
yay.
ginger na kaya nang garaba binaka. And buri harvest sa ngayon suga ng ngonongo.
When we are in Lomaybuna,
Iyo.
lucky the market coming to Lomaybuna, coming
Right.
to your door.
Boy.
So very good, eh?
Iyo.
Before $1.60, $1, some 90 cents
Right.
per kg. Now it's very good. The price going up. For
Right.
them, they said it's good.
Yes,
And the
true.
market too is coming.
Right.
Yes, totoo mo. Di ba kung we came in the farmers. Talking about the ginger, I know is familiar with the ginger.
Yes,
Iyo.
yes.
Yes,
Like few days ago, I
Yeah.
went down to the market because I noticed that the ginger at home
Yeah.
is finished. Yeah?
Yeah.
And the kids are coughing.
Yeah.
And you know the cold that is going around.
Yeah.
So I decided to buy another plastic ginger.
Wanna know?
Okay, and then take it home to make soup.
Wanna know?
Make soup for the kids.
Yeah.
Ginger
Right.
to the body.
Ginger to the body is very good.
Right.
They play a major role in our body. So whenever you face something difficult in your esophagus or coughing or through your respiratory system,
Right.
Yes.
it's being humanized.
Yeah.
So you have to use ginger. Asking when lomay muna tea, roro,
Oh, ginger tea is very good.
or just go to the farm, dibitanga
Right.
and you mama to bakatia too.
Yeah.
But it's very good. You'll feel your esophagus and everything will becoming normal.
My mom
Yeah.
used to work for one Gujarati family before.
Yeah.
Every morning,
Yeah.
they have ginger tea with milk.
Every morning?
And it is very nice, yes. Every morning. Every morning.
Yeah.
Like ginger is part of their life. It's an everyday thing.
Yeah.
And it's good. They hardly get sick.
Right.
Right.
During COVID-19, when we was there in Lomaybuna during COVID-19,
Right.
it was helpful, the ginger. during COVID-19 for the sickness.
Right, true.
Yeah. It was very helpful in our everyday living.
Right. Ginger and what's this? The lemon.
Yeah.
Lime, eh?
Kembali ko rin kung naman tayo sa patakina kari.
Saya nga atu combination gori. Dana combination gori metu karo talaga. Tai serangan ng beleti. Iyo, ang gori baka urere baka.
During COVID-19, even before, the funny thing is, even if you are not sick, because of what we are hearing,
panic.
And panic, eh?
Yeah.
Even if you are not sick, people, ay sa kubungan tamata.
Iyo.
Kada sa kubungan, sa tumnahan nito turmati.
Iya, tatang magsalaw tilo ko sa makakona tarwa nilo. Tarwa na nilo to sa baro ta armo corona ngon. Tarong eta ba? Siya kan kay kalawlaw ng kay kapur na ilo.
Okay, last question for this morning. About the small fruit the tarwaw.
Right.
Kaya na boss mga biti sa alay tarwaw. The buni tarwaw. Just talk about the buni tarwaw before the fruit.
Okay. The buni tarwaw,
Yeah.
they got the kulina.
Right.
They got the back outside.
Uh-huh.
But they grow ndo na kulini yang otiko ba na tarwaw sambon daw totokan din. You see, kasi ni rough. They are not rough in their skin texture.
Right.
Yeah.
They are very grow taller and taller. Their leaves is very small. But ento rabun sa talengan niyo ko embuka. Daw lew na ken rabusa.
Right.
They grow in different area where they are growing to.
Yeah.
But another thing, daw malum-malumu, they are very soft in branch when we climb right to the daw malum-malumu talaga natamba nang ngonin daw kambatan ni kina nabuno sila iramba tololalay.
Yeah.
So from there, you have to be careful. So whenever you see the tarwaw,
Yeah.
salah kita tarwaw means somebody is about to pass away.
Right.
Right.
When you see the tarwaw, gondo talaga nakaw, and daw raw na kena mandu.
Is it a Fijian medicine too?
I
Okay.
don't know.
Yeah.
And the raw talaga kena mandu. So when you see the tarwaw in your farm,
Yeah.
some of us, we got a different kind of tarwaw.
Yes.
Yeah.
One, we name it a tarwaw kidoke.
Right.
Tarwaw kidoke does not bear fruit.
Okay.
It's different from the tarwaw that bear fruit.
Right.
So when you see the tarwaw, the family of the tarwaw, kaya baka man ko tadawiri me mandu,
Yeah.
erorosar kena mati.
Right.
They are very
Oh.
easy.
How about the fruit? How about the fruit?
The fruits, they are never grow one piece.
Yeah.
Ereseni lebu merandua nga.
Yeah.
They grow in a different baka may
Family
sakumbi.
pack.
Yeah, family pack.
Yeah.
Right.
They are in a family pack. So many of them in one
Okay.
in one piece.
They
That's
nakara.
why you see the shape inside it very nasorena.
Yeah.
It's shape equally like a star.
Yeah.
But some of them they are forming 6,
Yeah.
5. They are for the size
Yeah.
of the sorena.
Ni ada bilang lewat tarwau na borong bulma yan na matang di benggram ni kuwa. Ito ba bilang ni talo chubi kendo to kini tarwau. Ano ba kata bisinga?
Tau ke ni tarwau na mura. Ala ko bango zango tia matakalela ndo tu na tarwau endem. Hey John Kumar, I want to look.
Wala, yan na bilakan. Yan na bilakan maya. Anyone kay ratu sa matingong may korni sa nga na nanggali marenan ro nga na bosa.
Ano ba na
Yan na
BMS in the house.
Iyo.
Oh,
Good morning
BMS
to the
in the
family
house.
this morning.
Ano ba na HFC Bank Stadium na matang di kuwa. Digo rio Ruth.
Yeah, Ruth.
Ruth yan na matang binang di kuwa. Mikir mo na kanda. Ano na da. Ouch pa lang iso na matang di kuwa. Leo tarwau, leo ibi, leo zapatali.
Namulo-mulo mo kalay telebo. Orto leo da ba?
Ha?
Orto leo da, orto minamulo-mulo.
Orto na leo da ba?
Ati una lewan demo tu tal tengah lewa batu.
Dan benak kamay na mulo-mulo yan na.
Lewa ura,
Ayo.
Lewa tu na
Leo
ka.
ura. Leo sarang leo bido. Leo ngasau, leo yasi.
Right.
Pomole.
Leo butu.
Leo udi.
Iya.
Lewa ilaba.
Leo ilaba. Okay, mikir mo na kanda. Maro chunang bola. Pagod na binaka na buning karapit tabi ko. Pagod na binaka na taus.
Labu tu kono Jor Kumar. Kau sabi anak kanani.
Ibu ko beli warung tuminggur.
Iya baru tu minggu kau wanuk tu nukai nai son romo.
Hey!
Tak sa Ada benaka pedi mga lolo.
Meli na dali wan na turang night.
Bula baby dog mo.
Hat lagi matakan na shem ada mataka go kurmundo.
Ella the money.
Hamad dames. Ha?